Okay, Andy, we're going to take a look at your teeth. I want to see what's there, what type of bite you have, and then we move on and polish your teeth and put your braces on, okay?
Okay, thank you.
Can you open up for me, please? Now I need you to close a little bit. Thank you. All right, turn away from me. So we're looking at a class 1 canine and molar relationship with the first bicuspids missing. But on the front I can see the crowding and the different level between your central and central incisor, with the lateral being higher than the central. I see that. And that's what's bothering you, right?
Mm-hmm.
And then we have a little bit of crowding right here at the bottom. And I'm looking at your gums. Let me pull your gums a little bit in here, your lip a little bit. I just want to see if there is any blanching of your gum tissue when I pull, to see if the quality of the tissue is strong enough to support your braces. And now can you bite down for me and turn towards me all the way. And again, on this side we also have a class 1, and you also have 2 bicuspids missing. So we're doing pretty much a revision of the treatment that you had previously, right?
Mm-hmm.
To realign the teeth. Now you're going to have to promise to wear your retainers, okay?
I will.
All right, thank you. Cool. So I'm going to start polishing your teeth now.
Okay.
The reason I have to do this even though you just had a cleaning is because I want to make sure that there is no film over your teeth so the brackets bond properly, okay?
Okay.
And we use pumice with no fluoride. I don't want fluoride on your enamel when I want to be bonding your teeth, because it could make the bonding surface not as good. And alright, so I'm gonna, now we can see the polish, right? This will give us a fresh surface to put the brackets on. I know you're going to have a lot of sand on your teeth. Once I've finished polishing your teeth, we'll go ahead and let you get up and rinse really good, okay? Doing okay? Good.
Yeah, because it's a different color. Yes, it is.
Okay,
I just want to make sure I
thank you.
wasn't doing
I think we're good. Check if we should put more pumice. All right, all set. Let's wash you out. What's the water, dear? Showers in the house.